kuria athuri 4,200 nio monekaga na murimu wa kansa ya mũthiori gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ o mwaka kũringana na ũthuthuria wa kĩama kĩa arigiti a mĩrimũ ya njĩra cia mathugumo.
Riboti ĩno ĩheanĩtwo hĩndĩ ũheani wa macini ya gũthima kansa ya mũthiori thibitarĩ-inĩ wa ũrigitani wa Kenyatta. Arigiti kuma thibitarĩ-inĩ mũnene wa Kenyatta nĩo mamũkĩrĩte macini ĩyo makiuga nĩ gũteithĩrĩria mũrimũ ũcio kũmenyekaga tene na ũguo kũrigitwo narua.
Inter-regional cross-border educational exchange and guided vaccination that we're going to be looking at prostate. Also, the MRED building a AI platform on cancer aspects of partners with Thank you so much, Dr. Rashid.
We are happy this coming when it's Prostate Cancer Awareness Month. It is quite timely that in our country we are receiving one technology of its kind that has never existed here, that will improve, early detection of prostate cancer and also rule out non-cancerous conditions.
As AstraZeneca, a global science-led company, we are very proud and honored for this commitment to really lead in partnership with the National Cancer Institute, the Kenya Association of Urological Institutions, surgeons, and also the Kenyatta National Hospital in bringing innovative solutions in terms of how we screen, diagnose,